Today I'm gonna build this cool stand for my headphones. All I needed for this project were a few scrap wood and some copper pipe fittings. I'm making the base out of plywood, but you could also use hardwood. To start off, I glued and clamped 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood and let it dry overnight. Following day, I unclamped and cut the edges off to make it into a 5-inch blank square. I wanted to try an interesting geometric shape, so I started by marking an octagon. Next, for cutting this octagon, I set my miter saw blade to 45 degrees. Then I added a rear fence support and a stop block to support my blank square. Here I am cutting the first corner off. Next, I just need to rotate the piece to cut each corner. The stop block makes it easy to cut without measuring every time. Now we have a nice octagon ready. Looking at it, I decided to play around a little bit to make the shape more interesting. I set my miter saw blade's bevel to 30 degrees and cut the edge of octagon furthermore. I'm not cutting all the way through, just slicing the top edge off. I liked how it looks, so I continued to cut all the edges. I'm only eyeballing the measurements here. Be very careful with your hands during these cuts. See how it turned out. A little bit of sanding will make it better. After sanding it smooth, I cleaned it with tack cloth and prepped for staining. I'm staining it with 2 coats of ebony. While the base dries, I started to work on the upper half of the stand. For this, I bought 1/2-inch copper tube and some fittings to go with it. Additionally, we would need a copper tube cutter, steel wool, Gorilla Glue, water, and rubbing alcohol. First, I scrubbed off these prints from the sides of the copper tube with steel wool and some alcohol. Then, I cut the pipe to required length. I tried rough it with a few combinations to see how it looks and how it fits my headphone. And I like the one with the 90-degree elbow better. So I decided to go ahead with it. But first, we need to drill a hole on the base to fix the adapter. I applied some glue and screwed the adapter into the base. To connect the fittings, Dampen one side of the tube and apply Gorilla Glue on the other side. The glue tends to expand and fill the gap, so just a little will do the trick. Finally, I touched up some color and added felt bumpers underneath. Wait, that's not all. I also made a laptop stand with another similar geometric base. I just notched off wood about an inch width and added felt lining. This holds my laptop nicely and also matches with my headphone stand. So there you go, stands for headphone and laptop. We have more projects coming up, so keep watching and consider subscribing.